Testing, 1, 2, 3. Is the boom mic on? Hey guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. This was meant to be like 1950s housewife kind of vibe, but now I'm just feeling like it's more like Scarface. Okay, either way, we have a nice nude situation going on today. I am here today with a double unboxing from Louis Vuitton. I had done some 1-800 like client services ordering, not because I enjoy it. I actually don't enjoy shopping for Louis Vuitton that way. It's really weird. I like to either shop obviously in boutique, which is not an option, or online. I really love shopping online and just getting it delivered to my house. If you have been following Louis Vuitton, there has been a price increase. There was a price increase at the end of last week. Not a lot of people are happy about it because this is the second one in the year. I have had asked what my opinion is on it and why, you know, what are they doing it for? Are they taking advantage and whatnot? And the honest answer is yes. I don't think they're taking advantage in like a money hungry nasty way, but in times of downturn, these type of conglomerates tend to go upwards. In times of downturn, you know, sort of economically, they don't really go with the ebbs and flows. They're never gonna discount or like reduce prices due to the economic climate. Instead, it's kind of like reverse psychology. Now, I think Chanel has followed par tomorrow or the next day, but they have to move forward. That is what they do. What it is today is not what it was 10 years ago, and what it will not be in 10 years time. If you watched my Get Ready With Me, this is not the look from my Get Ready With Me. I filmed an entire day of filming and my boom mic wasn't on. So it was just me going, annoying. Actually somewhat helpful because sometimes you don't want to hear it all the time. My lips today, my lipstick I want to share is my brand new Gucci Blaze of Noon in the satin. It is beautiful, beautiful formula and very nice on the lips. So that is what is on my lips. I didn't get into these. These are the two postage packs. As I said, I don't know which one is which. Ding. Most to all online purchases come with a shopping bag. Some may or may not. I guess it just depends on the packer. And here, oh, I can tell by the size of the box. See, I didn't know. The end. Should I get the other one out as well? Yeah, let's get the other one out as well. Because now I obviously know which one's which. So this is the second. And ta-da! It's a little drawer box. We can unbox together. Oh. Here's a little dust bag. I have not seen this. I seem so excited. Oh, nice. Oh my god, so nice. I am now reverse monogram obsessed. I think I shout out again to Miss Dre. I'll link her channel below. She's another luxe girly and she just got this. This was gonna sell, but I kept it. And then when I saw this and was like, I can, you know, pre-order it, not pre-order it, but just order it through client services, I was like, yes. I do not have a flat card case anymore from Louis Vuitton. I sold my plain monogram one. I had a plain monogram. I sold that in my whole purge of sales. So to get a nice flat card case back is nice, and to have a little twinning situation is nice. So this only has 3. Here is the little textile card inside. So it has one here on the front, on the reverse side. It has one slip compartment here on the back, on the regular monogram, and then it has one in the middle. It does feel a little bit more pliable than the plain monogram, so maybe it will fit more, but we can see. So inside it is stamped Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. That's nice there. You can sort of see it in gold. Paid for this guy, the reverse monogram card case M69161. Reverse monogram card case. I paid $285. It is now gone up to $295. Gorgeous. That is really gorgeous. I'm now, like, not now. I love reverse monogram. I do. I know it can be a love-hate relationship, but I personally do love it. I loved it in my Palm Springs mini backpack, which if you follow me, you may know. I think that's now become a regret that I didn't keep it, because it was interesting. It was really nice, and it's hard to get now. And then I've got my phone case from Fashionphile, and now I've got my strap, and I've got the on the go. Let's go ahead and unbox this guy as well. Okay, here is the dust bag for this second little item. I'm sure you can tell I've been raving about this and wanting it. Oh my gosh, this is the Louis Vuitton Monogram mini pochette ordered through client services. So they have them. You just have to call the 1-800 number and basically put in an order. You have to prepay, so you pay in full, and then you wait until it gets shipped out to you at your home, like as if you were to buy it online, but you've just got to wait. So it's basically ordering it with client services. That is my current update about getting hard to get items, is that you can order and then it's just paid up front. So you basically just got to sit and wait. Gorgeous. It is Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France, stamped there. You guys know the mini pochette. But in monogram, I feel like they just look so different. If you have them in whatever prints you have one in, all three prints of the standard canvas I feel like it's a totally different item each print. Like, I'm so used to all of the leathers being different because I have it in damier bin. Okay, so the mini pochette M58009. I got this for $465, so $465 Australian, and it is now $485 Australian. It's inside, beautiful. And there is its little textile card. There we go. And I wanted to trade it out, so let's do that with you guys. Tilt it on down. It's just far easier to show you guys this way. We'll leave our little card holder there. So gorge. And here is the mini pochette. Now I want to change it out. Current bag being used. Here, jeez Louise, look at that. Here is my Hermes Birkin 30. And there is all my junk down inside, but you can see there, ta-da! Oh my god, look at this. This is the smallest pouch from the multi-pochette, and I wanted this so badly that I've been using this guy. So you can see, as a comparison, it is obviously about 1.25 inches shorter, and it's probably about 1/4 inch shorter. Yeah, not as tall. Let me trade out the stuff in here. So I've got business cards there. I've got my double facets mirror. I've got some tissue, and I've got 2 lip glosses. So here we have the Felici chain there. The Felici, like, it's similar to the Felici chain on the multi-pochette pouch. And then we have which is like a kind of a squared off curb chain. A link chain, and then this is a curb chain on the mini pochette, which you can see there. But let's trade out. So we'll put our tissues back in, business cards. Obviously, it does not fit the same amount of stuff all up, but I don't really have that much in here at the moment. I can put my Gucci lipstick in there as well. Ah, it's so cute. To use this as like a little not like a catch-all. You wanted to use it, put your cards in your card holder as like a wallet as such. That fits nicely. You can put a lip gloss back in there, and you can run to the shops. Oh, so gorgeous. Okay, let's compare it to some other things. my Damier Ebene mini pochette. So this was my first ever pochette this is my first ever mini pochette. It is super duper banged up, but it is so chipped and scuffed and just gross. It really, really is. This is all chipped. This whole zipper is tarnished. Sorry, this whole zipper is tarnished. You can see there versus the new one. It's really shiny and it's not in good condition. Compare it to probably its competitor as a small catch-all. However, the Toiletry 15 fits far more. It does, obviously. Its depth is far more and it is taller. The pro about a Toiletry 15 is that it's wipeable lining. So if it really is a catch-all down inside your bag, you don't have to worry about spills and things like that. And lastly, we'll just compare it to Cosmetic Pm. Obviously a different shape because of the dome shape. Again, has wipeable lining. You could probably fit this in here actually. Oh my god, that's so cute. Why would you do that? You wouldn't, but how cute is that? Do that. Why would you carry a mini pochette in a Cosmetic PM? You wouldn't, but how cute is that? That is so funny. It fits perfect. Guys, how cute. So cute. That completes my double Louis Vuitton unboxing. I'm going to get to using these straight away. Very excited. I'm so weird. Why did I go all monogram? I just wanted consistency. I do get asked a lot. Does that mean I'm never going to buy any other prints? Never say never, but I'm straying from it because I just know that I gravitate to having all the same. I can't explain it better than that. I'm not quite sure. But that is it, guys. That brings me to the end of this video. If you liked it and liked my 2 new little pickups from Louis Vuitton, client services, call. If you've been looking for this, call and just see if you can get it. That is the best way I can tell you. If you enjoyed it, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Showing us a thumbs up on YouTube is so good now, showing us that, you know, showing YouTube that our content is in good standing and that you're enjoying it. You don't have to comment, but you can just hit the thumbs up button. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and you wish to do so, guys, that would be great. There is a button down below. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.